Are you a woman who has a passion to see change happen in the world? You know things are out of balance. You want to address it. You know you have a story that matters, that can inspire people, that can help people make the kinds of shift that they have to make. My name is Vicki Delajoyo. I'm the founder of the Rockstar Speaker and Storytelling Program. I want to encourage you to please get out there and tell your story. Your story matters. Between the Me Too movement, Black Lives Matter, all the different kinds of progressive, intersectional change that's happening, we need to bring our voices out, and I'd love to hear you do that. I'd love to see you do it with passion and ability to really create the kind of impact you want to make. Maybe you're feeling a little bit like you don't want to do it alone. Maybe it feels like you're not quite ready. If that's true, then I'd like to invite you to join an incredible community of women who I'm working with right now that really are working on bringing their story out in a new way. Just click the link below, check out, see what's happening, and I'd love to see you tell your story.